Got a swimming pool, acre field with horses.
How much?
3,800,000.
What? Thought you were looking at cheaper stuff.
I mean, the house is right at. I mean, they've got like carpeting, like here's fucking Home Depot carpeting.
It's hot out there too, Ron. He's sweating through his denim shirts. 123 out there in the sun.
What's he climbing with?
That's what I'm looking at. He's got a band around his waist. And he keeps taking this rope. He's like tying the rope right now, no shit. He's got a chain. It looks like he's got his feet hooked into the grooves of the tree. Oh my god, it's swaying in the wind, no shit. Run. Run.
Yeah.
Twinino. And he's got a machete attached to his leg. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, he's using like a crank system. He swung to the next tree over, Ron. He did not. He just did that. I have it on video. He just swung to the next tree over. This guy should be in the circus. He's amazing.